You probably noticed we talked about Boolean values a few times. Here, we would like to provide a short video that aims to explain their application. Let x be equal to 2. What you see next is the following if-else construction. If the value of the x variable is greater than 4, print out correct. In all other cases, print incorrect. So, which is the Boolean element we have in this computational logic? Basically, after you insert your if statement, the computer will attach a Boolean value to it. Depending on the value of its outcome, true or false, it will produce one of the suggested outputs, correct or incorrect. If the first statement is true, that is, if x is greater than 4, the machine will print the corresponding statement, correct. Else, which means if the statement x greater than 4 is untrue, or more precisely, false, the statement incorrect will be printed. From a certain perspective, everything in a computer system is Boolean, comprising sequences of zeros and ones, false and true. This is why we are paying attention to the Boolean value. It helps us understand general computational logic and the way conditionals work in Python. Okay, excellent. We can wrap it up here. This wasn't an easy section, right? But you learned a lot and are making a great progress. Now you know more about conditionals in Python, and you understand the control flow of if, elif, and else statements. In addition, you saw once more complying with the Pythonic syntax is crucial for the execution of your code. Where you type the colon sign and indentation matters. Last, you saw the order in which you declare your commands leads to a specific outcome. If you change the order of your commands, the outcome could change, and this may take you to undesired results. Wonderful! In our next section, we'll dive into the world of Python functions. See you there, and thanks for watching.